Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about Teflon tape. This is our old Teflon tape right here, and we typically use it to create a better seal when we're putting on hoses or when we're screwing on gas lines and things like that, just to give you some more peace of mind and to create a better seal. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So there's no Teflon tape on this connection right here, and this is a possible point where it could leak. So we want to put some Teflon tape on it just to give ourselves some more peace of mind when we turn everything on and make sure it's not leaking. So since we've got such a tight fitting right here, we're not going to be able to use the entire roll to just go around it. So I'm just going to break off a piece of the Teflon tape. And all we have to do is just pull it apart, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the Teflon tape on the lower threads here. And you want to make sure you wrap it around clockwise, because that's the way that your threads are going to be spinning. So when you put your hose back on, it's going to go the same way as the Teflon tape. If you put it on the other way, the Teflon tape will come undone and then it won't do you any good. So we're going to just apply that and put it all the way up on the threads right here. And then you can just press it down and you can see it hugs the threads nice and tight. And that'll make it a lot easier for us to screw everything back on. So here we've got a connection for a gas line. You can see there's some Teflon tape on this end right here, but it's pretty much worn off. So we're just going to peel the old stuff off. Now we'll put a bit of new stuff on there. And again, we're going to make sure we wrap that around in a clockwise fashion. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And give it a good couple of times around. And then we can rip it off. And make sure you just press it on there. And then that'll create a nice tight seal when you have to put your gas line back on. Like that. Just like this. So as you can see, I showed a couple different scenarios where you would use some Teflon tape. We typically don't do this in our videos, but it's something that you should be doing at home just to make sure that you're not getting any leaks wherever your hoses or gas lines are. And it'll help extend the life of your product as well, because you won't have to worry about replacing things when you've got a nice tight seal. So make sure you buy some of the Teflon tape when you order online, just to have some on hand for when you do those repairs. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.